Hey, it's Carol Ofori, presenter on East Coast Radio 9 to 1. And yes, we're on another sweet escape with Tourism Kwa Zulu Natal. Look at this backdrop. This is Amakhosi Safari Lodge and Spa, nestled in the heart of Zululand, just 4 hours north of Durban. What a beautiful destination, filled with the most amazing creatures and animals and the best game experiences. Out here, we've been able to see some beautiful cheetah. We saw some giraffe. We saw some other big five animals, including a genet. Ever heard of that? Cutest little thing ever. Including doing the game experiences, other things to do is a bird walk. You will see the most amazing birds. Philip here, one of the guides, does the most amazing bird walks where he can actually call the birds with his mouth, and it's quite something to see. Also, something we did here was a learning experience, learning about how, poachers are affecting our wonderful wildlife. And as people of this beautiful land, we shouldn't allow this to happen. So that poaching experience was a really nice learning experience. Of course, we had to take some time and check out the spa because they do have spa facilities. The culinary experience, if you love food, this is the place to go. Do not come here if you're trying to be on a diet, because once you see the food, you're going to eat it all. And as usual, this is all to expose to you just how beautiful KZN is. It's a province that has it all, literally. We've got the oceans, we've got the bush, we've got the mountains, we've got the animals, we've got the activities, the recreational things to do. It's a beautiful, beautiful province. And I'll say it all the time, KZN has it all. Believe it. And also, KZN is open for travel.